Swallowed up. Swallowed up. Quick pick stop to Goddess and the baker. We're doing to go. Okay, so I got a yuzu lemonade, which is really good. Chloe, what'd you get?
A sugar-free vanilla latte.
I also got that brownie, but Chloe's eating some right now. What'd you get, Mom?
I got the Mystic Mint Tea.
The brownie is really good, in case you're wondering.
It's my brownie now.
She's hogging the brownie. Hello, vlog, and welcome back to another day. Stopping by Guitar Center to pick up a gift card for my friend Bree. We're going to an aerial yoga class. But she took up drumming as a hobby, so I'm going to get her a gift card. Currently in this sketchy ass elevator, and I have a pimple the size of Mount Rushmore on the top of my head, like right above my eyebrow. I don't know why. Hello? Guys, this is like a scary ass movie. Like, what is this? Oh, I just had to go out. Gift card secured. Back in the creepy elevator we go. We're on our way, and honestly, I'm starving. I haven't eaten anything all day, and I'm probably not gonna eat anything before I go to the class either. I'm not entirely sure if I have enough time to grab something. I'll probably just get something on after the class. Wish I had time to get like a card. Maybe there's like some store right by the class. Right now I don't really have the time. But let me get out of this dark garage and I'll see you guys once we get to the place. And we made it. Barely. I had to find parking on the street, but we are currently in Lincoln Park and we're about to walk in. Okay, so right now I'm the first one here. So I'm just kind of hanging out in the back and waiting until everyone gets here. Or at least someone that I recognize at least. Oh my God, you guys. I cannot believe I did this. The party is for tomorrow. Can you believe it? Tomorrow. I got the dates wrong. I don't know why I thought today was the 19th. Today is definitely the 18th. I could have been at home. But you know what? I'm just gonna get me something to eat. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get me something to eat and go home. Ah, so embarrassing. Day 2. We are back for aerial fitness. I really wish it was yesterday. Only because I feel like crap today. We're gonna rally, see what we can accomplish. You gotta get the content. The birthday girl. Say hello.
I love your turn.
We love a turn.
I gotta do mine.
What's your name? I'm Nora. Nora? Yeah. Hi, Nora. Yep. Were you ready to go? You pick one by your height. You pick one at the top of your height. About your height. This is pretty good. You can test it and see. We're going to test it by going upside down, and then you can see if you click it. Cool. How does it sound?
Oh,
And put my toes in front. From here, you can let go.
girl.
Right where you were, take that straddle and bring it all the way back up. Go ahead and give it a try.
Oh.
Favorite.
She already got it.
Bring it like right here. Your hips start a little higher. They still want to sit back. And then when you sit back, oh yeah. I think right. There you go. There you go. Perfect. Get those heels in a little more. Now look over here. Perfect.
Turn your feet out.
Yeah. And then just under your feet.
Oh my goodness.
And go ahead and play the piano with your fingers for 4. You're here for 4. Last 3. Hi, welcome on in. For 2. And 1. We're gonna slowly take some circles around. Just be mindful of your neighbor. Opening up to those hips. Beautiful work around the round. For 4. Yep. Karate chop through the middle. Tap some gentle rocks side to side. Unwrap. You got 1 more wrap here. So you got 2 wraps. You're here.
Oh no.
Here for 4. Last 3. Last 2. And very last 1. Good job. Here for 4. Nice. Last 3. Woo! For 2. Okay. Look at that! Nice, you guys!
Oh my Jesus.
The first one we're going to do is very similar to what we just did. So I'll do it again with you. Here we go. Let's try it all together. Take your fabric right above your booty. Slowly lean back. Find that straddle. And this time, 1 foot goes over both. And then this other knee bends back. Yeah, beautiful. From here, you can grab your foot and just hang out. You guys look gorgeous. Yeah. Yes. Hold here for 4. 3. You got it. So, I take my fabric right above my booty. I lean back by my straddle. From here, I'm going to kick my toes on the inside, what we just did. Hands go above my feet. I kick my feet on the inside. I climb. Now this is where it gets a little advanced. I'm going to take my, you can go either way. I'm a righty, so I'm going to do everything to my right. I'm going to hold on to my right pole with both my hands. And I'm going to slowly lean my body forward. Slowly lean forward. Ooh. And then you can find that pigeon toe. Oh. Slowly lean forward. Very cool. Let's have it. There you go. You're good. You're having it. And we're going to stand up into the hammock. Yes. Sit. like stack on top of each other. That works too. There you go. Now you can send your knees behind. Bend your knees. You got it. You can look forward. Yeah. It's just adjusting. Okay, so the knees is my knees. Left, like push your